guys, sorry it's been a long time since I vlogged. I've just been really wrapped up with Poshmark, and that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. I've become a Poshmark affiliate, and this is basically just part of their campaign to tell you my 5 tips for making money on the app. I didn't come up with these. I've gathered these from the community, and they're just pretty basic, high level summary bullet points if you must. But I believe if you're getting started, then they would really help. So here we go. So I'm looking at my phone for reference, but the first tip is just start selling clothes that don't spark you joy anymore. Start selling donations from friends and families. The point is to keep your cost of goods low and sell high. So even if you have nothing to sell in your closet or from friends, you can go to a thrift store or consignment store. I like to shop there on their sales days, so I know that I'm getting the cheaper prices. And what you do is you take those clothes, list them on Poshmark, and flip them for profit. Okay, the number 2 tip is make sure your items are trendy. Like, study the trends that are out there right now. Study the summer 2019 trends. It's a lot of tie-dye, 90s style, fringe, neon colors. So try to get items that you would wear and that you like but are also in demand. Tip number 3 is to take great pictures. So when you're on the app, usually people are just scrolling through, and if they are doing some shopping, what's going to set you apart from other people's listings are your pictures. So just make sure your pictures are clear, bright, focused, and interesting as well. Number 4, make SEO friendly titles. And SEO stands for search engine optimization. Basically, Google will pick up your listings, and you want your listings to be to rank higher in the search results. So let's say somebody is searching for an Adidas track jacket. You want to make sure you list your Adidas track jacket. You put in that phrase, what someone would search for it, as well as possibly the color, the style, name if you have it, and that would help get your listings out there on Google and higher up in the results. So then people outside of the app can also come and shop your closet. Number 5, and 5 is really important as listing, it's share your closet. You want to share. If you have only a couple of items, don't be afraid to share every hour. But if you have like thousands, of course it's going to be harder, but it's still really important. And what sharing does is it updates your listings and helps pushes them to the top of the results. So whenever anyone's searching your listing, maybe one of the first ones they stumble upon. Because really, if you're searching for a particular item, who is gonna click through or scroll through so many pages of results? I personally don't, unless they all look like trash and you just want to find something something suitable. But I think I'd get bored before that. But there you have it. Those are my 5 tips. I know they're very high level, pretty much just summaries. You can go and research and dig deep into each and every one, or I can eventually make more videos that explains it all, but that's pretty much the basics to what I do. And I've been selling on Poshmark since mid-February. Yeah, actually it was February 15th, the day after Valentine's Day. I had posted a bathing suit 2-piece from Fashion Nova tropical set that I worn only once to Hawaii and didn't see a need to wear again, and it sold for full asking price like within a matter of days, and from that I was hooked. So I wish you luck on your Poshmark journey. If this is your first time watching my video, please feel free to like and subscribe. comment below your Poshmark closet and I will check you out. Also, in the description box, I'll have my Poshmark closet and link added, as well as my Instagram for my Poshmark. And thank you guys.